welcome to the channel. In a lot of my vids, especially on the Honda Monkey, I've been asked lots of comments on the Oxford heated grips. So today I thought I would show you how those are installed, how to operate them, and I'm actually going to do a temperature test as well to see what kind of temperature you're going to get out of them in the winter, and I'm going to put them outside in the cold, so I'm going to run some real life examples. Hope it's helpful. If you like it, please subscribe. Let's get on with the video. Oxford offer a range of different types of heated grips depending on the type of bike and the size of the bars that you need. For the Monkey, I went for the Advanced Adventure UK specific type. They fitted well and they sit nice and flush with the handlebars. When it came to getting them fitted, I went for the easy option. My local dealership were offering a deal at the time where you can get them purchased and professionally fitted for £129.99. If you don't want to fork out getting it installed, you can always fit them yourself. The kit comes with everything that you'll need. It's got the grips, control panel and the wiring harness that you need, and you can see here where they fitted it. It's gone through the fairing, back down the side of the bike where all of the other harnesses are, and it goes straight under the fuel tank and then back to the battery where it's all connected up. All your heating levels are controlled from this control unit. You can set it from 30% all the way up to 100%. The buttons are nice and big. I've had no issues, even with winter gloves on, being able to select any of the different types of temperature range. It's also got a low voltage cutoff, which is really useful as well, so you're not going to drain your battery even if you leave it on. To set your temperatures, you just use the main buttons on the left. You can see here it's off, goes straight to 100%, and then you can just click it halfway down and go all the way through the range. I'm going to be interested to see what kind of temperatures this can kick out. I haven't used it at all today, so I'm just going to check the temperature of the handlebars as they are. Okay, in here it's around 8 degrees. Now I'm going to put it on at 100%. Let's come back in 5 minutes and see what it's heated up to. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and already it's just shy of 50 degrees. 49.8 it was reading, but I've noticed the low voltage cut-off's coming on, so it's going to switch itself off. So what I'll do is I'll now run it up and take it out for a while, and then we'll come back and see what the temperature's like. Okay, it's time to take her out, get those heat grips warmed up. Okay, I've literally just got back in. See if that's made any difference. Wow. 56 degrees centigrade. Just got back in. We're now at nearly 57 degrees centigrade. Made a bit of a difference by running the engine. Got plenty of power going to them. But yeah, really impressive. I had my winter gloves on and could feel the warmth. No problems at all. If any of you are thinking of getting heat grips, I hope that was useful. Just when I was out there, it's around 3-4 degrees here in the UK at the moment. Went out for about 10 minutes and I was wearing really thick winter gloves and my hands were nice and warm. So if you're thinking of winter biking and you want to keep your hands warm, get some heated grips, they work.